Hello. Happy New Year. BEIER Machinery Group, and the innovation leader in the global plastic machinery industry, has ushered in another milestone moment at its Nantong Intelligent Equipment Manufacturing, based the grand launch of the 500 to 1000 millimeters large diameter PVC-O pipe extrusion production line. The BR1000 series is a flagship large-diameter PVC-O pipe production line, independently developed by BEIER Machinery, specifically designed for large-diameter and high-performance pipes. The 800 mm large-diameter PVC-O pipe is being efficiently formed. BEIER's patented precision temperature control system perfectly cooperates with the dual traction synchronous stretching technology, enabling precise orientation of the pipe in the optimal temperature range. Every inch of the pipe embodies BEIER's 28 years of technological accumulation. From urban main water supply networks to industrial high-pressure transportation, from trenchless rehabilitation to intelligent foamland irrigation, BEIER PVC-O pipes are sparking a pipe revolution worldwide with their three core advantages: lightweight, high strength, and corrosion resistance. BEIER Machinery, leading the future of pipes. BEIER empowers green development with technology and shapes a better tomorrow through innovation.